Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again. In today's video, I'm going to show you this is a review video. In this video, I'm going to review a card called Spark One Business Credit Card, and this card is powered by Capital One, that is a leading credit card website or leading credit card company that will be providing the best offers for you and their users. So firstly, we just need to understand that what kind of features these card have and what benefit you will receive after you enroll for this credit card in your mobile phone. So I'm just telling you all the benefits you will get after getting this card. So firstly, this is the name of card is Spark 2% Cash Plus, and there will be a 2% unlimited reward option here. After that, there is a dollar 1200 one-time cash bonus of dollar 1200 when you spend dollar 30,000 in first 3 months. That's saying that if you spend dollar 30,000 plus in the first 3 months of your card tenure, then you will get a dollar 1200 one-time cash bonus in your account. And this is really a great offer for all the users that are using credit card of different companies or different organization. After that, you will see that pay in full charge card, no precise preset spend limit, annual fee refund, business grade capabilities. So these all are the benefits in this card. You can just click on the apply now, go on the website of Capital One, sign in into your account, and then you can just simply apply this card from your mobile phone from your home, and the card will be delivered to you in about 15 days. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.